Today we talk about how can you find your custom cake on your or match app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do is so you just go down here, click here on services down here. When you just click on it, so then it's going to take you to when you click here on services, it's going to take you to next step here. So then all you have to do, just go down here, so then you click here on custom cakes, so then it's going to take you to this list here. Just switching to open video here, then here it's going to show for you all custom cakes here, so you will find it in this list here. And here can you click here on customize cakes, this, and here can you click here on flavor here, and can you select color and says, so that it's going to add video on your app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.